Welcome to my unboxing video of the Master Storm Quickfire XT with brown switches. It's a mechanical gaming keyboard made in Taiwan. This is gonna be my first experience with brown switches. I have tried mechanical keyboards before, but I'm still on membrane. So this is my upgrade video basically. So on the box we had the keyboard, the switch, which uses is the MX Brown. Then we have, this is an all mechanical Cherry MX keyboard, guaranteed for 50 million plus keystrokes. It's a super slim keyboard. It has a steel plate in it, so it's rigid. And we have N-key rollover to PS2 and 6-key rollover to USB. You have repeat rate adjustments, Windows key disable, and multimedia keys. So let's open it up, shall we? So here's the tab. So in the box we have a user's manual. Nobody cares about those. More in the box we have which seems this is the USB to PS2 adapter. Then next in the box we have the removable cable, which is braided. Then we have replacement keys and key puller. What else is there? Nothing. So here is the board itself. Let me take the box out of the way. The keyboard. So it comes wrapped, so it's protected in shipping. Comes with some tape, which should peel off easily. Yes, it does. And then I can pull the keyboard out. So the keyboard. It's a mechanical keyboard. It has some heft to it due to its steel plate and mechanical keys which have metal in them. We have the removable cable spot. Then we have the keys itself. I have the Russian layout too, because it's the only available in my area. On the back of the keyboard you have CM Storm branding. You have rubber grips so it doesn't slide around, and you have these tabs to raise the keyboard a bit. I like it raised personally. Some people might not, but I like that my hands are in this position, slightly in an angle. So then we have the USB cable, which comes here. It's a nice braided cable. If you have animals that chew on the cable, it should survive. It's decent length. It will definitely reach the back of your computer, even if it's a bit away or on the floor or something. Yeah, it's gold plated, so it goes just in the back like this, and the other end goes into the computer. So then we have the keys, the removable keys, and the key puller. You can just pull a key out like so, and you can replace the key with something different, like for an example a CM Storm branded key. How this goes on? It goes on like that. So I don't want it really. I want to keep the stock Windows keys on. So tapping on it is something new for me, because I have tried blues before and it's very satisfying to tap on blues. They have that tactile feedback, but I don't like the noise of the blues. I like the tactile feedback because it reminds me of the old days when you had the white keyboards and that they had that they were really loud. So I don't want my keyboard to be loud because I have other people in the house and I like to game late at night. So browns were the best choice. They are definitely more. They have more noise than membrane. That's for sure. You don't get a silent keyboard with browns, but they're much more silent than blues. Though they produce more noise than reds, for example. After a while, I'll be able to give my extensive review of this keyboard because I like to use the products extensively before I judge them. Yeah, it's pretty basic keyboard. It has your Windows key with function. It has your volume mute, volume down, volume up, play, pause, stop, forward, back, and yeah, it's about it. You have your 1x, 2x, 4x, and 8x repeat rates for PS2, and that's about it for this video. See you in the next one when I review this keyboard.